Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos but not from your iPhone. And firstly, let me open camera. I need a photo. Okay, so let's say this one is my photo. I have it in my gallery. This one, and also my backup turned on, so now it will upload it to Google Photos. We need to wait until this upload finished. Okay, and we have it. Then let's say I want to remove this picture from my Google Photos, but not from my phone. So you need to open Google Photos application, then click at the profile icon at the right top, and click at the backup. Firstly, we need to disable backup. So click at the slider, if the slider have colorful background. And we just did it. Then I will switch to my PC and I will use my browser to remove this photo. So let's do this. I'm going to use Chrome, but you can use Firefox, Safari or something else. We need to write Google Photos in the search bar. Then open the first link and make sure that you use your correct account. You can add account if you haven't it at the list, or you can switch to your account by just click on it. And now I use my account. Then right here I have this photo, so select and move to the trash and to the trash. Now let's return to the Google Photos. The mobile Google Photos. So in the Google Photos I still have this photo. Oh, it removed it. And now let's move to the gallery, and as you can see I have this photo in the gallery but not in Google Photos. If I turn on my backup, I still haven't this picture in the Google Photos. Nothing, but still have it in my gallery. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.